Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. 2x squared divided by x squared divided by x squared, 1 divided by x squared. So we have 2 plus the square root of x minus 1 over x squared. And this one we can write into x to the power of negative number 2. This one we can write into x to the power of 1 over 2. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx, we have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one and this one. So this one we have 2x. This one we have x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. Similar for the next one. And we put the bounds from number 1 to number 9. So I will put number 9 in here. Number 1 in here. So we calculate about this number in here. So we will have about 292 over 9. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we apply same formula for this one in here. So we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And this one we have 9 over 5. So I will put number 1 in here, number 0 in here. And we got 5 over 9. And this is the final answer. The next one, we need to multiply by 2x plus 1, negative number 1 multiplied by 2x plus 1. This one we have negative x. The integration of x squared, we have x to the power of 3 over 3. About x, we have x squared over 2. And number 1, you got about x, and we put about c. The next one, we need to expand this one, and we got x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 3x and minus number 1. This one divided by this one divided by this one, and so on. The integration of x, we have x squared over 2. Number 3, we have 3x. The next one, that's about ln of the absolute value of x. And the next one is about 1 over x, and we put about c. This one, the square root of x, we change x to the power of 1 over 2. This one divided by this one, number 1 divided by this one. So we have x to the power of 1 minus 1 over 2 minus x to the power of negative 1 over 2. So this one we have 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we will apply same formula in here. So this one we will have about x to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. Similar for the next one. So this one is about 3 over 2. This one that is about 3 over 2. This one is about 1 over 2. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.